Look at this color. This is the True Sea Moss Gel Superfood Blue Spirulina and Raspberry. It is a gorgeous color, but I'm a little nervous. I honestly don't know blue spirulina. This one's only 5 calories per serving. No fat, 70 milligrams of sodium, 2 grams of carbohydrates, no fiber, 1 gram of sugar, no protein, and then you've got the iron, potassium, iodine, magnesium. Let's go. Centimeter review from True Sea Moss. Ooh, it's so pretty. This one's like the mango, where it's a little bit thicker, but it's still just so smooth. This one is giving sea moss smell. This one is like the lemon pie. The True Sea Moss is the second ingredient after water, so I don't hate it. It's not nasty. It's not delicious. I wouldn't just want to like take this straight. I could mix it into a smoothie or something if I was doing this flavor, but it's nowhere on my favorites list, that's for sure. 2 tablespoons per serving, 15 servings in the jar, no heavy metals, certified vegan, gluten-free, non-GMO verified. It's cool. I love the color though. But that's the blue raspberry if you add spirulina. If you want to try it out, go for it. It's good, but again, the pineapple mango is my favorite of all of their gels.